Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to cancel Crunchyroll free trial. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Crunchyroll application and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, you're gonna find some suggested animes. If you go to my list, right here, you're gonna find all of your saved episodes. So basically, guys, you need to go to account. Once you're here in account, you're gonna find all of the settings related to your Crunchyroll account. So if you guys want to cancel your Crunchyroll free trial or any subscription, you need to go to the first option right here, which is membership plan. Once you click on it, you're gonna find your current membership. As you can see, guys, for me, it's free member. So right here, basically, guys, if you have any subscription, it's going to appear right here in the top. And you're going to also have the option to cancel your subscription by just clicking on cancel. And then you're going to be good to go. If you guys want to go premium, you just need to click on go premium. And then you're going to get access to unlimited anime, no ads, and new episodes shortly after airing in Japan. Once you click here, you're going to find some options like fan, mega fan, or annual mega fan. So just choose which subscription that you want, click on start subscription, and then all you need to do guys is add your credits or debit card and pay the subscription. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.